Learn web scraping from industry experts. Every quarter, we launch a new webinar to bring you valuable insights and share the latest web scraping trends. Now, let's recap and enjoy the best moments from ready-made web scraping tools.
Sometimes when I speak with clients, they are not fully aware of the ready-made scrapers, and they have the concept that basically ready-made scrapers are a technology that is for beginners only. You know, that no-code technology and ready-made scrapers, it's something that you use only if you're a beginner. Based on Smartproxy's user base and our clients, would you agree to that? How does it sound to you?
I wouldn't necessarily call it a misconception. However, it's not simply one way. It's not that ready-made scrapers are only valuable for beginners. They are indeed valuable solution for beginners, as they don't rely on coding knowledge and experience. Regardless of that, they are also offering like a simplified solution for experts as well, because they're easy to integrate into code. So, like you've previously mentioned, ready-made scrapers also save all of the overhead and hassle for in-house developers. As for example, here at Smartproxy, we take care of the technical solution. So all they need to do is implement a callback URL, which requires virtually zero maintenance, unlike a custom-made scraper.
Want to see the full webinar? Register and watch it today.